is the new studio, and I mean if you're expecting a big upgrade in size, there's not really much of a difference, but there is a lot of benefits to working in here instead. One of them being that I can actually stand up for once, and there's some extra room to do anything, to make things.
So many activities!
There's even a window in here which lets natural light in, and that makes a big difference opposed to working in a loft where I just didn't see any daylight at all. I was literally like a vampire in there. There's also something else which is quite cool. There we go. So there's some LED lights that are attached to the wall, and you can also change the colour of them. So yeah, this is where it's all going to be happening from now on, but I want to give you a good introduction to this place. So I came up with this idea to actually try and draw the space and give you a tour through drawing. So let me grab some pencils and paper, and then we can see what this ends up like. So to start off the tour, or whatever this is, I don't really know where I'm going with this. I need to begin by creating this space, which is a simple rectangular room, and I think I'm going to do all of this through an axonometric drawing, which might sound a bit boring at first, but just bear with me. So we have the overall space of the room, and now we just need to fill it with everything that's here. So you might have noticed already, but I have this beam that goes over the desk between both the walls, and I connect cameras and lights to that. So let's add that in. So after that we have the desk and the chair, which is the same as what was in the old workspace, so let's put that in as well. So now we have everything that goes on the desk, like the laptop, the microphone, some pencils, paper, some headphones, hard drive, just random things that I keep on top of here, but let's put some of that in there. Along with all of that stuff, we have the things that go above the desk on top of that beam, like the camera, the tripod, the lights. Finally, to finish this place off, I have some acoustic foam on the walls to help with the noise vibration, but I could probably do with a few more of them. I also have a storage container under the desk, which I just keep paper in and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much everything over on this side, and then at the back there we just have some shelves and a lamp, but overall I'm quite happy with how this weird experimental piece of work turned out. I've never really tried cutting stuff out and then layering them on top of each other before, but I think that works quite well. And yeah, this is the space where we're going to be creating videos from now on. That reminds me, I need to put the sign up. So there we go, I'm going to wrap this one up. If you enjoyed it, then please leave a like because it helps me out, and if you're new around here, feel free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you'll always be updated when I upload a video. Instagram, Twitter, links like that are down below in the description, and of course, thank you for watching. I hope you look forward to all of the stuff that we're going to be making in this new place, because I do too, and yeah, that's everything. See you in the next one.